Hi there, and welcome to my newest series, Questions Women Ask Before Walking the Camino. So, over the next few videos, I'll be sharing some concerns and questions that women have and the answers to clear up some of those concerns. My name is Linda G. Robert, and I am your Back in the Groove Again coach, and I'm here to help you live your best life right now so you can love what you do. I'm back. Hey, before we keep going, if you like this video, you know what you need to do. Like it and subscribe to my channel. Thanks again. I'm back from walking the Portuguese way. I walked it with a friend, and last year I walked the Del Norte on my own. And of course, you can check out my playlists on both of those routes. Camino's calling me again. I don't know which one I'm going to walk, but I know I'm going to do it again. Now, before I share the 3 questions for this week's video, I encourage you to download my 10 steps guide for walking the Camino, and you'll find it on the link below. All right, so let's get started. Here is the first question. Can I walk the Camino alone as a woman? Yes, yes, many women of all ages walk the Camino alone and have a wonderful experience. The Camino is well traveled with pilgrims from all over the world, so you'll rarely feel isolated. The Camino community is warm and supportive, and safety is a high priority for most pilgrims. It's always wise, of course, to take basic precautions, but rest assured, you're likely going to meet other women, other solo travelers, other couples along the way. Here's another question. What should I pack for the Camino? Now, this has been asked before, but I want to stress that packing light is key. Essentials include a comfortable, well-fitted backpack, sturdy walking shoes, a few changes of breathable clothing, and a quick-dry towel, and any necessary toiletries. Like I didn't bring any shampoos with me because I knew that most hotels had some. I also only brought a few bandages because I knew that there were some pharmacies along the way as well. Now, don't forget a refillable water bottle or a water bottle, some snacks, of course, and a first aid kit, or at least some bandages for your blisters if you tend to get some blisters. I also brought my walking poles and I found them extremely helpful. Remember, simplicity is liberating on the Camino, so pack only what you think we'll need. And of course, we'll talk more about that in my 8-week course. Okay, one more question. What if I can't keep up? So the Camino is a personal journey, and there is no set pace, no pace that you need to keep up with. Many people walk at their own speed, taking breaks as needed, and often find that it's the best way to do it, to really fully experience the journey. If you're concerned, you can plan shorter daily distances or rest days, more rest days. If you're walking with friends or family, you may feel comfortable to tell them that you're going to keep going and that you'll see them at the top of the hill or later on the path. Know that you'll be safe, right? I remember being told when I walked the Camino, the Del Norte, to walk at my own pace. There were several people walking together, and eventually some of them walked faster than me, and I was trying to keep up, but I couldn't. Walk at your own pace. Remember, the Camino is about your path, your experience, and take it at the pace that feels right for you. And in the meantime, download my 10 steps guide for walking the Camino using the link below. I'll see you next week with 3 more questions. Bye.